Introducing the Ivation Portable Air Conditioner, a cutting-edge solution to achieve optimal indoor comfort. Packed with smart features, powerful cooling capabilities, and a user-friendly design, this portable unit redefines the way we control and experience climate. From Wi-Fi-enabled convenience to versatile cooling options, join us as we delve into the features that make this air conditioner a standout choice in the realm of home climate control. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Smart Climate Control. This air conditioner stands out with its innovative Wi-Fi-enabled features. The Ivation app allows seamless control of temperature, mode, fan speed, and timer from any Android or Apple device. This modern touch adds a layer of convenience to achieve ultimate indoor comfort. Number 2. Powerful cooling and versatility. With a robust cooling capacity of 12,000 BTU-hour ASHRAE Rating and 8,000 BTU-hour SACC Rating, this air conditioner is apt for spaces up to 450 square feet. Whether in a living room, bedroom, kitchen, office, RV, or studio apartment, the versatile settings enable cooling, dehumidification, and air circulation. Number 3. Portability Redefined. The freestanding design embraces portability with a lightweight and compact build. The omnidirectional wheels, built-in carry handles, and an extendable single-hose exhaust, 59 inches, offer easy mobility. The provided panel assembly ensures window installation, avoiding any blockage of your view. Number 4. User-friendly controls. Featuring an easy-read LCD display and a bonus remote control, this air conditioner is user-friendly both on and off Wi-Fi. The digital control panel facilitates straightforward operation, while the remote adds convenience with various functions like power control, mode selection, temperature adjustment, fan speed, timer, swing control, and real-time temperature check. Number 5. Energy efficiency and safety. This air conditioner prioritizes energy efficiency and safety. With lower power consumption and advanced safety features such as a rear cord storage hook, automatic compressor, and integrated frost, thermal, and overflow protection, users can enjoy a cooling experience with peace of mind. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 14.17 inches depth by 20.51 inches width by 28.74 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Ivation Portable Air Conditioner emerges as a versatile and efficient climate control solution. With its smart technology, powerful performance, and user-friendly design, it caters to the diverse needs of modern living spaces. Whether you seek portability, energy efficiency, or seamless connectivity, this unit delivers on all fronts. Embrace the comfort and convenience this air conditioner brings to your indoor spaces, setting a new standard for personalized and efficient cooling. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.